Hello everybody, welcome. Now this is just a quick one. I got sent this one email. It's a TikTok recipe. It's a pudding. So looks quite simple. Let me show you what we're going to do. Right then, what I've got some donuts. It says you want 10 donuts. It just says normal donuts, but I couldn't get any. So I've just got jam. So I'm going to use 10 of them. How many's in there? Packet 2. Oh, I've got 3. I've got 4 packets altogether anyway, but I want 10 of them, it says anyway. No, it says I want 500 gram of this custard. That's 400 gram, I think that is. One of them, but I don't think that's going to be big enough. That's going to be enough. But, and 5 or 6 tablespoons of Nutella. And a tin. I mean, my tin's quite big, but we'll see how we get on anyway. First things first, I want to chop these into quarters. As I say, the jam ones, these are £1. £1 from Tesco for 4. Now, I'm not really a big donut fan anyway. I'm sure Nat will love this. So I cut them into 4 anyway, each one. Like so, and I'm going to go in the tin. Pull them in. I'll cut all them up. Like so. That's 10. All done. More jam on the board, look. And that's filled the bowl. Very surprised about that. Now I want to get my custard. I want to pour that over. So let's get that done. Cut it up. So what it's going to be like, I don't know. We'll find out, won't we? Well, there is going to be enough custard there. I didn't think there'd be enough, but there is. I think that's going to overflow like there. And then you want about 5 or 6 tablespoons of this Nutella. I'll get that open up. And just plop it over. 1. Obviously this ain't going to be for the faint-hearted, is it? 2. If you're on a diet, you'll have a look. 3. 4. 5. I'm going to stick one more in for good luck. It did say 5 or 6, so I'm going to put 6 in. Because why not? There we go. Now that's got to go in the air fryer for 20 to 25 minutes, they say. I think that's quite a long time for that. But we'll see. So then, let's go in the air fryer now. Boom. I mean, it's looking nice, isn't it? You see that? It's lacking. I think it's going to overflow a bit. 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to put it on 20. And we'll see what happens. Well, that's just coming up to 20 minutes now, and I haven't even looked at it. And to be honest, it smells like it's burning. I'm going to have a look. It smells nice, but it smells like a burn smell. Oh no. Maybe a little bit, maybe. It's done anyway. I'm going to get that out. Well, there it is then. I think it was way too long for it. But they did say 20-25 minutes. But theirs was a lot runnier than that. Stick a spoon in and have a look. Oh no, it's runny underneath. Runny underneath. But them donuts look like they're roast potatoes, don't they? Let's get a bit out and have a look at it properly. There it is. Donut Nutella. going to have to go in a bowl, isn't it? All in the taste. Taste test time. So what do you think altogether? Looks like a bowl of mess, doesn't it? I mean, there's the donuts. Oh well, so we'll try anyway and see what happens. Oh yes. Oh yes. And I'm not a donut fan, but these. Oh, it's heaven in the bowl. It's heaven in the bowl. Oh wow. That's gorgeous. Nah, you're gonna have to come and try this, Bab. That's gorgeous, man. Oh yes. I'll do your bowls, love. I'll get you a spoon. Let me get you a spoon. She's coming, she's upstairs.
Yeah, pass it over.
Not coming on. She's not coming on.
What's that?
Just eat it and see. It's pulling her face. Doesn't look the best, but
That's nice.
it's nice, isn't it? Isn't that nice?
That's lovely.
Yeah, it's really nice. Doesn't look the best, but it's gorgeous. Heaven in a bowl, isn't it?
That's nice.
Oh yes. And that jam on a donut as well. Oh yes. Yes.
Nice.
Nice, isn't it? Especially with someone who don't like donuts, me, and I'd eat that all day long. It's really nice, isn't it? Well, there we go. That was a bang on recipe. Cheers, Matthew, for sending me that, mate. That was superb. As I say, I am the old food guy. Just a like, just a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, look at it all. It is goodness. It's proper goodness. Oh, oh yes. Bye.